मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पे फोटोज ही डाल रही हूँ, वीडियोज ही डाल रही हूँ, अब लोग ऐसे देखते हैं तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. आई एम लस्टिंग आफ्टर हर हेयर एंड that's fine. I can point that out to Karan. There is one thing that you're looking at a person, and then there is one thing that you're mentally undressing the person. If you're saying that I have nothing to hide, then why are you hiding your phone?
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Happily Whatever After.
Tips and
Tales for relationship. Yes. So guys, कैसा लग रहा है आपको हमारे एपिसोड? आप लोग ने क्या कुछ सीखा या नहीं सीखा? हमने इतने सारे थेरेपिस्ट क्यों मंगाए थे?
और अगर नहीं सीखा है तो प्लीज़ जाके बाकी सारे एपिसोड्स देख लो. बहुत कुछ ज्ञान मिलेगा, बहुत कुछ शिक्षा मिलेगी. शायद आप अपनी रिलेशनशिप को चेंज कर पाओ.
यस.
और इसी सिलसिले को जारी रखते हुए
इतनी मेहनत कराते हो यार आप लोग, बट लाइक वी आर हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू गाइस आउट इन व्हाटएवर वी पे.
सो इसी मेहनत के चलते लोगों ने हमें एक बर्निंग क्वेश्चन कुछ 15-20 लोगों ने पूछ लिया. और अलग अलग तरीके से पूछ लिया. So we decided to address the issue.
Yes, and have an episode on it.
Have a full episode on it. Imagine. इतनी बार आपने पूछा है कि I had to do a full researched episode on this. Okay, guys. So let's clear it today.
Yes.
This is all. Whatever we are going to tell you in this episode is all kinds of perspective.
Yes.
On this particular topic.
Yes.
It's not a biased opinion. We are not trying to give you a judgment on this topic. Please remember that. We are trying to show you all sides of the coin.
Yes.
ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे कौन कैसे सोच सकता है, बोल सकता है, हम आपको वो सारी चीजें, we are giving you food for thought.
Yes. Basically. And then at the end you guys have to internalize yourself into the relationship or as individuals, and then go ahead with a definite choice that you would like to take in your life, and then move ahead and have a solution on it.
Yes. So the question was, do men find other women attractive or visually appealing even after being in a committed relationship?
Yes.
If yes, what does that mean?
Yeah.
And can you do a podcast? So we are doing it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving us an idea and then providing solutions.
Since the person who has written this believes that many couples face this issue and have faced this but end up not discussing this with friends.
Yes.
So the person who's written to us is talking about looking at opposite sex when out with your partner, taking glances at opposite sex which has come to your partner's notice.
Yes.
It can also be applied to men and women both. It is not just men finding others attractive, but even the females finding other males attractive.
Yes. So I think this is a very important topic to be discussed. Why? Because I think I would like to start off with this by saying that this is something which is at both axes, which is at biological axis also and a physical level also, right? When I'm talking about the biological aspect, obviously men are attracted towards women, and then women are also attracted towards men. Correct? So that is one part of the biological, that the way we are being created. And then when we come to physical, I think it is a deep-rooted thing so that is coming on from generation. How have you been raised? How have you been born and brought up, right? आपको physical attraction एक तरीके से हो सकती है, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. करेक्ट. आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक फूड फॉर थॉट अगर मैं बात करूँ तो यू माइट बी अट्रैक्टेड टू समवन, बट बचपन में जिस तरीके से आपको रेस किया जाता है, आपको बोला जाता है कि लड़कियों से बात नहीं करनी है, या लड़कियों को बोला जाता है लड़कों से बात नहीं करनी है. यू नो, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स व्हेन दैट हैपन, यू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग दैट होल want more कि यार ये ऐसे क्यों स्टॉप कर रहे हैं हम लोगों को.
forbidden pleasure, right? कि बचपन से वो टैबू बना दिया गया है. The connection between a man and a woman, the connection between a boy and a girl, the attraction that exists between opposite sex, उसको इतना हवा बना दिया है, उसको इतना टैबू बना दिया है कि वो forbidden pleasure हो जाता है कि अब लगता है कि अरे लड़की दिखी है तो देखना ही जरूरी है.
Yes.
Is that what you're trying to say?
I want to say that. Yes. तो वो जो एक आपको बचपन से एक स्टॉप दिया जाता है ना कि ये गलत काम है, तो आपका कहीं ना कहीं वो एक नेचर बन जाता है दैट यू नो यू आर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स
to doing that,
to doing that, you know, कि आपको बोला जाता है. So I think
तो बचपन से शायद ये नहीं बोला जाता कि लड़कियों को देखना गलत काम है,
बट ये गलत काम है.
बट यही बोला जाता है कि लड़कियों के बारे में सोचना ही गलत है.
Yes.
लड़कियों से बात करना ही गलत है.
It is both ways, not from लड़कियों को.
हाँ, मुझे भी सेम, मतलब I was also brought up the same way कि लड़कों से बात, although I used to go to a co-ed school.
Yes.
Where ऐसा नहीं था कि लड़के अलग बिठाए जाते हैं, लड़कियां अलग बिठाई जाती हैं. क्लास में सब लोग साथ में बैठते थे.
Yes.
सारे स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स और सब कुछ ऐसे साथ में होते थे. कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं था स्कूल में. So on that level I was much better. But at the same time I was brought up to be that person कि लड़कों से बात नहीं करना, ये बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड वाली चीजें नहीं करना. And so it automatically pushed me to look more towards the romantic side of relationships कि एक दिन तो कोई मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड होगा, एक दिन तो कोई ऐसा होगा जो मुझे ऐसे प्यार करेगा, मुझे ऐसे secret letters लिखेगा and stuff like that. So suddenly in my own mind only I started cooking up stories. So I think that plays a very big role in what people like to say men will be men.
Men, yes. And also show by saying men will be men, this is a society created norm, right?
Yeah.
कि आपको जिस तरीके से, just as you also said that कि you were in a co-ed school, right? आपको एक convent school में डाला जाता है which is only boys and only girls, you know, convent school, correct? तो आप उस समय technically you are not comfortable with you can say boys, or the girls are not comfortable with the boys and the girls are not comfortable with the boys, or vice versa, whatever you call it.
Also मैंने ये देखा था, my friends who used to go to all girls school, उनको और ज्यादा चुल हो जाती है.
Yes. कि
they seek out boys.
Yes.
Like वो लोग झुंड बना के जैसे you know what they call it, like
eve teasing करने.
हाँ, लड़कियां eve teasing करती थी, ढूंढते थे कि लड़के मिले और हम मजे ले टाइप. हाँ, agents. I used to be so scandalized by the stories, and they were so much more like they had watched PORN. They had a lot more knowledge about the reproductive
systems that
we were not taught in our co-ed school.
Yes.
So उनके लिए even though men were Hawa, they were again like एक दो स्कूल होते थे इंदौर में, सेंट पॉल्स एंड सेंट रेफिल्स. एंड आयरॉनिकली ये कैसे होते हैं ना कॉन्वेंट स्कूल कि अड़ोस पड़ोस में बनाएंगे.
Yes. But साथ में पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे. What kind of logic is that? I mean,
it's like a thought bubble that is created कि ये बीच में ग्लास वॉल है तुम्हारी, तुम देख सकते हो एक दूसरे को पर अलाउड नहीं है. देख सकते हो पर अलाउड नहीं है.
I also studied in co-ed, but my sister studied in convent, right? तो वहाँ पे भी it was just like a wall between the girls convent school and the boys convent school. Like आप लड़के literally जो दीवार होती थी ना वहाँ पे खड़े रह के देखते थे जब वो लोग स्पोर्ट्स खेलते थे. सो आई रिमेम्बर दिस स्टोरी बिकॉज माई सिस्टर यूज्ड टू प्ले बास्केटबॉल, और उसको बास्केटबॉल खेलने नहीं दिया गया था बिकॉज छोटे कपड़े पहनते थे, और OLPS जो स्कूल है जो चेंबूर में है वहाँ से लड़के देखते थे. So there is no logic about.
हाँ, मतलब लड़की को बास्केटबॉल नहीं खेलने दिया गया क्योंकि पड़ोस के कॉन्वेंट स्कूल वाले लड़के ऊपर चढ़ के देखते थे.
Yes.
Like amazing,
right? This is amazing, right?
Like and metaphorically, guys, I feel metaphorically ये दीवार जो है
ये टूट जानी चाहिए.
ये दीवार हमारी पूरी लाइफ में रहती है फिर.
Yes.
हमारे लिए वो टैबू बना हुआ रहता है, which is why हमको अभी भी अगर हम कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप में हम किसी और के साथ ऑलरेडी हैं, फिर भी वो दीवार हमारे दिमाग में होती है, तो हमको उस दीवार के ऊपर चढ़ के झांकना होता है probably.
Yes. One of the reasons. Yes. So yeah, that's our way of looking at it. And
also I think there are multiple factors. This was one that society has created this taboo, this wall. I think the other factor also is my industry, the media industry, that has created a.
Yes, I think so. Current media के बाद so yes, media is one of the industry that has created, but the world which we are living in, the 21st century world, which is socially connected world, correct? You are being feeded with this whole beautiful images. Now to more scary because AI generated images can lead you to anything in this world, right?
Because there is social media, there are influencers, there are certain. Nowadays there is a certain importance given to looks
Yes.
To the extent that plastic surgery is normal.
Yes. Botox
is normal. Fillers are okay.
Yeah.
Like we were watching that show the other day, which was Urfi Javed. Follow kar lo yaar.
Yes.
So she just wants to get a breast enhancement surgery, like
yes.
out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Because उसका मन है, उसकी इच्छा है, and she is actually promoting it कि injections on the face are okay, fillers are okay. So people have a certain outlook
towards life,
created by media that okay, girls should look like this.
Yeah.
And when they don't,
then they try to, if they watch that, they were like also asking their own personal partner to be like this, and then they are into this whole phase of life that कि यार मेरा पार्टनर तो ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे पार्टनर को भी ये करना चाहिए.
But I feel कि ये तो वो कर ही नहीं रहे, ask तो वो कर ही नहीं रहे. They're not asking their partner to be like
that. But it is not about ask show. Okay, another way to look at it is that कि when you are continuously watching those kind of feeds, and when you are liking and sharing all those kind of feeds, somewhere down the line there is a want that is been building into your subconsciously, right? So जब ये चीज हो रही है शो, तभी आपका unconscious behavior एक pattern develop हो रहा है.
Correct.
You are not aware that this can lead to dangerous things in relationship. Because if you are comfortable, that does not mean your partner is comfortable in this relationship, correct? And unknowingly, you might say certain things to your partner, and then your partner will feel like, am I not, that good enough? That why did you get married to me? Why are you in a committed relationship? So it's a very thin line that today you have to be very, very aware that what are you trying to do in this digitally connected social media world that we are into. So,
and some of the other questions that we had received, they had specifically mentioned that the husbands or the man in the relationship is basically following and liking other women in their pictures and their hot pictures and commenting on it. And that really makes the wife or the girlfriend upset. And there are no boundaries like that, because the guys always say कि मैं तो मतलब it doesn't mean anything, I'm not cheating on you.
Yes, but technically if you look at it, I personally look at it, show that कि you are technically mentally undressing someone and then liking it, right? Until unless you are not mentally undressing that person and not putting it forward in your head, that means you're not liking that person.
Even I saw this somewhere online on social media that I think it was a therapist only who was talking about this, and he said it very beautifully. He's like, okay, there is one thing that you're looking at a person, and then there is one thing that you're mentally undressing the person.
Yes.
So if you're doing that
is a very, very,
that's a breach of
trust, breach of emotional connect. I think lot of things are happening unconsciously. तो जब आप सोशल मीडिया स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, जब आप मीडिया देख रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू बी अवेयर दैट कि दिस इज टेक्निकली मेड, दीज आर टेलर मेड थिंग्स ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर सोशल मीडिया. इन रियल लाइफ दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
And take it from me, guys, I work in the media industry and I see what are the after effects of those body image things that are done. Every single photo that is put out on social media is photoshopped, is airbrushed. They have zero nutritious diet. They are constantly either living on liquids or some kind of juices or smoothies, and I'm not saying that
chewing gum. I know most of the models, correct, because I was from the event agency background, and when I used to do events, most of the models only chew chewing gum for 24 hours. Not 24 hours. That's because, when you chew a chewing gum, right, your brain is continuously thinking that कि आप कुछ खा रहे हो, लेकिन जो आपकी बॉडी है उसको तो न्यूट्रिशन मिल ही नहीं रहा है. So that is the kind of disconnect that is being created specially by the model, because they want to reach that likes and subscribers and followers and all of those things.
It's not even funny how many times I've seen them faint on photo shoots and look tests and stuff like that. They're tiny. They're like 24, इतनी सी waste होती है उनकी. And it's not natural, guys. And now, even when there are certain social media influencers that we've seen, I don't want to name them, but they are going on drugs to basically lose weight immediately.
Yes.
And have that perfect figure,
Yes.
immediate figure. And they may be putting on their workout videos and stuff like that in short clothes and everything. But all of that is achieved through a lot of manipulation of your body.
Yes.
So it is not natural. So all the men who are fantasizing, who are doing this over and over again as a acquired behavior, please identify what you're doing unconsciously.
And this also goes to currently the world which we are living, to all the women also.
Yeah.
ये भी करती है कभी-कभी, मेरे को बोलती है
मैं सलमान खान से
मेरे को कंपेयर करती है।
ऐसे नहीं करते, ठीक है, सलमान खान।
हाँ, करते, मेरे को बोलती थी पहले, अब नहीं बोलती है, बट हाँ, 6 पैक ऐप चाहिए, ये चाहिए, डोले शोले चाहिए, बट नाउ दैट इज गॉन अवे. So that is a fun part between us right now, but you need to understand that we have developed this after so many years.
और ये कभी ऐसा नहीं था कि करण, I am rejecting you because you
don't look like this.
You don't have 6 pack or you don't have dole shole. It's not like that. I'm still in love with this beautiful man. Beautiful.
Yes. And I'm in love with this sexy lady.
So see, it's about the fact that how you are, how comfortable your partner is.
Yes.
About you doing this, looking at other people's behavior.
And sure, you just touch point about, this whole therapist thing that, you are trying to say that you are looking or mentally undressing, right? Which brings me to the point that it is about looking and it is about desire, right? That when you are looking at someone, you might be comfortable telling all of this to your partner, that look, that it's a sexy dress that woman is wearing.
Yeah.
It's the kind is the style that she walks is a sexy style that she's walking it, right?
Yeah.
Or it might be a beautiful necklace that a lady is wearing. Or
that you've pointed out.
Yes, I have pointed out to you. Look at the hair. Look at the kind of glow that she has. Look at the kind of aura that she carries. All of those things. That is the looking part that can generally be communicated between a partner at both sides.
Yeah.
And then comes the desire part. Correct, which is technically what I touched base about, is that you're mentally undressing, you are mentally thinking about all of those things, which is
you're
leading
lusting.
to you are having that lust that कि यार ऐसा partner मुझे चाहिए, और मैं PORN देखता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा relationship चाहिए, मुझे ये करना है तो मुझे ये सारी चीजें चाहिए. You have to be very aware, then you have to understand that कि जो आप बोल रहे हो अपने मन को, अपने brain को, that is actioning in front of your partner. And if you are not aware of all of those things, that is creating ruckus in your relationship, those smaller issues. I'm not saying that you have to constantly police your thoughts, but you also have to be aware that कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, whether that is right or whether that is wrong. मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप मत देखिए, आप सोशल मीडिया पे मत जाइए, बट देन यू हैव टू बी अवेयर दैट कि बचपन में बोलते थे ना कि किसी की भाई बहन और किसी की माँ को गलत नजरों से नहीं देखना चाहिए. इट्स अ फनी थिंग, बट नाउ आई कैन कनेक्ट टू ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स.
तुम सही नजरों से देख रहे हो या गलत नजरों से देख रहे हो, ये समझ में आ जाता है.
यस.
आपके पार्टनर को स्पेशली. एंड also this brings me to like when you said this, that you are talking about pointing out someone else that that whatever they are wearing is nice or whatever. So initially I used to be very insecure about it. That अच्छा तुम्हें वो अच्छी लड़की लग रही है, मुझ में क्या कीड़े लगे हैं, used to be my patent जवाब. But that also made me think twice. That why am I getting so insecure about it?
Correct.
And the moment I started to dig deeper in it, I realized that I was always brought up thinking that I'm an average looking girl. I'm not a wow good looking. I'm not a Miss India.
Correct.
Although all women should believe that they are Miss India.
Yeah.
That should be the level of self-esteem that you carry.
Yeah.
And that should be the level of self-love you give yourself, your body.
Yes.
So if you want to learn something good from social media, learn this.
Yes.
That the self-love that they have, the acceptance of their bodies that a lot of influencers have.
Yeah.
So I used to be insecure about the fact that Karan is so good looking and I'm not, in my own head.
Yeah.
For Karan, I was the most beautiful person and I still am.
Yes, you are.
But at the same time, I used to feel inferior in my own head. कि मैं तो अच्छी नहीं दिखती हूँ, मैं तो गोरी नहीं हूँ, मेरे तो बाल ऐसे नहीं है, तो मैं तो नहीं, मेरी तो हाइट ऐसी नहीं है, मेरा तो फिगर ऐसा नहीं है, वो मेरी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ थी. करण वॉज नॉट टेलिंग मी फ्रॉम अ lusting after or from a bad point of view. Like for example, I walk with a hunch like that. So Karan used to tell me that, look, she's walking like she has such a nice posture, so you should also be like that. At one point of time, I would have taken offense and taken a taken up a fight with Karan.
Yeah.
But now that I have started to work on myself, on my self-love, on my self-esteem, I have now become so secure in myself, and a lot of credit goes to Karan also, because he's given me those wings to fly. He's made me believe that I'm so beautiful, and he's the one who has told me that, why don't you take care of yourself, go get your manicure pedicure done, and go get a spa and stuff like that. वो अलग बात है कि मेरे से वो नहीं पाता है. But I started to basically invest on myself. I started to do what I like, what I love, which doesn't necessarily need to be that I want to go to a parlor or get my nails done or hair done or whatever. But it's more like I want to go out and sit in a cafe, read a book, love myself, think about myself as this heroine, that main character energy that they say on social media. So the moment I get into my own main character energy, I know that if my partner is looking around or doing something, then it's his loss.
Yes.
Like at the end of the day.
And so this brings me to a very beautiful thought that कि most of the time ना, जैसी शादी होती है ना, तो लड़कियां probably बोलती है कि अभी तो कुछ रखा नहीं है. This also especially happens when you get married and you have a kid, right? You stop taking care of your own self.
Majorly.
I personally believe that whatever age it might be, wherever you are in your life, correct? Please take care of yourself. Don't lose hope on yourself, because somewhere down the line, I am a very firm believer of this thing that the day you stop taking care of yourself, your body will stop taking care of you.
Yeah.
It's that simple. It's that simple in general life that people need to understand. It's like कि आप अगर पौधे को पानी दे रहे हो तभी तो वो पेड़ बनेगा. अगर वो पानी दोगे ही नहीं तो तुम आपको वो फल और फ्रूट कैसे देगा? So this I have seen in most of, whether it is males also, whether it is men, whether it is women, whether it is boys, whether it is girls, the way we are being born and brought up, हमको ऐसा ना वो बॉडी शेमिंग में डाल देते हैं. कभी हमको बोलते हैं कि आपकी बॉडी अच्छी नहीं है, तू मोटा हो गया, तू पतला हो गया. All of those things start playing so much on your mind that you start behaving that कि I am not good enough. And then this thing goes on till the time or till the last day of your life. You have to take control, you have to take charge of your own body, you have to take charge that how you look, how you dress up, how you walk, all of those things are a possibility only and only if you start loving yourself. If you don't love yourself, possibly this is not going to go anywhere, and then you are only going to get stuck in this loop.
But also guys, I would want to specify, because I'm sure a lot of women will think that Karan is trying to say that तुम सही रहो, अपने आप को ऐसे बन ठन के रहो. No, Karan is not trying to say that, because look at me. मैं कब ऐसे बन ठन के ऐसे झिंझट बन के रहती हूँ फुल टाइम? नहीं. दैट इज माई लेवल ऑफ, माई कम्फर्ट लेवल इज ओनली नॉट देयर दैट आई विल वेयर bliggy clothes, or I will wear high heels, or I will get my, like, look at my nails, I will get my nails
nail
done.
extension.
So that's a personal choice. But at the same time, we are talking about in general. For example, this happened with me in our marriage also, that there was a phase where I used to literally not buy clothes and wear Karan's shirts and Karan's extra big t-shirts, because I was not feeling good about my looks at all. I was not giving any attention to myself. My hair used to be tied up in a bun. इतने लंबे बाल थे मेरे, कमर तक बाल थे, लेकिन वो पूरे टाइम ऐसे बंधे हुए होते थे टाइटली, और मैं सिर्फ काम कर रही होती थी, और मैं मेकअप नहीं लगाती थी, मैं सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाती थी. मेरी स्किन, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेकल्स, आई हैड लॉट ऑफ पिंपल्स, एंड आई डिडंट केयर अबाउट एनी ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट वॉक अराउंड लाइक दैट. मैं चप्पल पहन के निकल जाती थी. हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे छपरी टाइप रहती थी. एंड येट Karan नेवर यूज्ड टू से दैट, अरे क्या हाल बना रखा है तुमने, ढंग से क्यों नहीं रहती हो, ये क्यों नहीं करती हो. ही यूज्ड टू जस्ट जेंटली ट्राई टू से दैट, व्हाई डोंट यू गो टू get your pedicure, should I
Yeah.
book something for you and stuff like that. और मैं लेती थी, offense लेती थी मैं उस चीज़ पे उस टाइम पे. But I slowly started to realize कि क्या हो गया मेरे को. Like why I used to love wearing colorful clothes like
Yeah.
yellow and red and pink and stuff, and now suddenly I'm wearing a man's clothes.
Yeah.
And while like oversized t-shirt can be a fashion statement right now, but back then I was not making any fashion statement, honestly. So we are not trying to say that you get fashionable immediately and you get like social media worthy and Instagram worthy, and we are just trying to say that take basic care of yourself. Like
Yes.
if your style statement is a salwar kameez, pull it off.
Yes.
Pull it off like you are the Kareena Kapoor of your life. You are
Yes.
the Geet of your life.
Yes.
So मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, आपको बनना ज़रूरी है. So
Yes.
that your self-esteem shows in your body language.
एंड लड़कों को सलमान खान बनना बहुत जरूरी है भाई. वो आज की तारीख में भी लड़का टशन में जी रहा है. मैं लड़का ही बोलूंगा, शादी तो हुई नहीं है. Whether it is 55, 56, but he is the सलमान खान इंडस्ट्री का तोड़ है.
Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, both
Yeah.
of them are like maintaining themselves. And how till
But
now.
what we are trying to say is don't look at everything that they have, but what we are trying to say is those smaller cues that we are watching them, that they are keeping themselves fit, fine.
But again, they are stars.
Yeah.
So they will.
They will.
But at the same time,
You have to be your own star.
You have to be your own star is
Yes.
what we are trying to say. And so coming back to the point that I was making, that if you are insecure and your partner is not coming from a place of lust or desire, and he's just pointing something out to you, like there are, like the other day when we went out for that Jameson event,
Yeah.
there was a woman with beautiful curly hair which was like till her waist,
Yeah.
and I was so mesmerized by that hair that I told Karan that look, wow, she has such beautiful hair.
Yeah.
Now this could have been the other way around also,
Yeah.
right? That Karan could have actually thought, and they were really beautiful hair, guys, like amazing. Like I can still think of it in my mind.
Yeah.
So I am lusting after her hair,
Yeah.
and that's fine. I can point that out to Karan.
Yeah.
But if Karan is, like, say for example, this situation was reversed, and I am taking offense that ओ करण को तो वो करली गर्ल वाली लड़की के बाल अच्छे लगते, मेरे बाल तो अच्छे ही नहीं लगते. करण ने ऐसा नहीं बोला.
Yeah.
करण ने ये नहीं बोला कि अरे देखो तुम्हारे बाल ऐसे क्यों नहीं है. वो तुम्हारे दिमाग की उपज है, वो तुम्हारी इनसिक्योरिटी है जो तुम्हारे ऊपर हावी हो रही है.
Yes.
सो डोंट लेट दैट हैपन. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. बी ब्यूटिफुल इनसाइड आउट. बी ब्यूटिफुल फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ.
Yeah. Yeah. And this brings me to another point, that ki when you are not doing all of those things, that is, there are two reasons here technically. One, I think, is insecurity.
Yeah.
And then there is self-esteem. Correct?
Yeah.
Self-esteem के बारे में तो हमने थोड़ा बहुत touch base कर दिया, that you have to love yourself, you have to be star, you have to be doing everything whatever is possible for your own self. But when I talk about insecurity, I think this is a very essential part of both sides. This is a partnership game.
There's an insecurity in males also.
There's an insecurity in males also, right?
Like?
Because अगर तुम मैं बात करूंगा कि तुमने ऐसी किसी बंदी के साथ शादी करी है, या तुमने ऐसी किसी लड़की के साथ शादी करी है जो शी इज ऑल्सो सेइंग द सेम थिंग व्हाट मेल्स टोल्ड. मैंने कोई गलत थोड़ी ना किया. मैंने तो लाइक किया लड़कों को, मैंने तो स्क्रॉल किया, और मैंने तो सिर्फ पसंद किया. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम एज अ फ्रेंड. It is an biological, or you can say human only. We are humans at the end. We are not robots that we will not have emotions. Insecurity is bound to develop.
Yeah.
Correct. आप किस तरीके से क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हो अपने पार्टनर के साथ. इतना सब जो तुमने आज बोला कि I have not told you all of those things. Why? Because since the start of our relationship, I have always I have kept everything of my life open to you. I have not made sure, I have made sure that कि जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, that is in sync. Lot of times in relationship, जो मैं करता हूँ, correct, वो अगर मैं तुमको सामने नहीं दिखाऊंगा, करेक्ट, तो तुमको डाउट तो होगा, तुमको इनसिक्योरिटी तो पैदा होगी. करेक्ट. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट देयर इज नथिंग ऑन माई फोन एंड आई एम सिटिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन माई फोन, that means what? And if I'm not sharing a password with you, and you're not giving access to your phone, that means there is some kind of hidden things. I'm not saying that ki password sharing is a wrong thing or a right thing, but what I'm trying to say is, when you say something and do something, both are at different axes, that means there is something which is not right at that point of time. That starts building insecurity in the relationship. Also, when you are, a choti si baat karunga ki, lot of times when you are in a group or a social gathering, right, आपका partner अगर आपके साथ नहीं बैठा है and he is mingling with someone else, which might be a group of women, at the same time for women, it might be for girls or for boys, correct, or for men, तब क्या होता है? तब तो प्रॉब्लम ही होता है ना, बिकॉज मेरे को छोड़ के तुम उनके साथ पार्टी कर रहे थे, करेक्ट? व्हाई? बिकॉज यू हैव गॉन इनटू अ गैदरिंग एज अ पार्टनर, यू हैव गॉन देयर इनटू अ गैदरिंग एज अ कपल, राइट? एंड इफ यू आर सेपरेटेड, correct, that is technically a wrong thing, is what I believe. I personally take very good precaution, at least whenever we go in social gatherings. I will flaunt you. I will keep you in front of everyone that she is my wife. I will draw that boundary intentionally. I draw that boundary intentionally so that I and you feel safe. You feel secured that Karan is not going to go anywhere. He has defined that boundary कि यार ये मेरी बीवी है, तो ये देख रही है तुमको. मेरा थॉट ये रहता है कि you are going to pee around the territory. This is my territory. This is her territory. So this is something that I generally do whenever I'm going into a social gathering. I mean, whenever we go to a office party or a Diwali party, और मेरे पास बहुत सारे events होते हैं, I ensure that she is walking, and अब recent का example बताऊंगा, that we were doing some kind of interview, and I was like, कि शोखी ने PhD करी है, she has written a movie, she has done so many things in her life. That is the kind of security that I give. I make her the priority of my life. And if I'm not doing that, then probably insecurity is going to develop. And if I do the same thing right now, let me ask you that, show that कि अगर मैं ये नहीं करता और मैं अपना मोबाइल फोन अपने पास में रखता, insecurity तो होती तुमको.
हाँ, your actions need to match your words.
Yes, so here you go.
If you're saying that I have nothing to hide, then why are you hiding your phone?
Yes. Then
your actions need to match.
Yes. So action equals to your words. Is what I always believe in, and that is the firm belief that I will always carry, and that creates insecurity in relationship. And right now तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, because social media में likes क्या कर रहे हो, ये क्या कर रहे हो, वो क्या कर रहे हो, तो वो बहुत बड़ी चीज है एक रिलेशनशिप में.
And also the other aspect of this is social media playing a very big role in a lot of women's life also.
Correct.
Like for example, one of our guests on the podcast, Kaveri, the marriage coach that we had interviewed, she made a comment the other day. She was sharing one of her cases where she was telling that there's a girl, there's a woman basically who creates a lot of Instagram videos and YouTube videos and all, and she gets a lot of comments from guys, from random guys. Obviously it's social media, right? Very sleazy comments, and oh, you're so hot and stuff like that, and this is making the husband uncomfortable. But the husband is not able to share that with the woman. So here is the opposite side, that it's not just men who are seeking attention or who are liking when women give them attention. It is also women who are wanting this attention. So the insecurity can run both ways. You can also make your man insecure by doing such things and then saying that मैं क्या करूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पे फोटोज ही डाल रही हूँ, वीडियोज ही डाल रही हूँ, अब लोग ऐसे देखते हैं तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. Right? So here also there are two things to look at. One, why is that man not comfortable talking to the woman? Are you not giving him the safe space to communicate? And B, what is that woman seeking as a validation from complete strangers? What was missing in her own life, in her own relationship, that she's seeking that validation outside? So again, both the partners have to look within.
And at the end show, you also touch base that ki you know what is missing when these kind of issues happen and when the insecurity pops up is communication.
So we are back to square one, guys, after some 100 episodes.
So
Okay, communication. This is the only thing, only shiksha in every other episode that we give you. So here we are back again.
Yes, so communication is a key, I think, because अगर आप अपने desires, अपनी चीज़ें communicate नहीं करोगे तो आपका पार्टनर आपको समझेगा नहीं, और जब आपका पार्टनर आपको समझेगा नहीं तो इनसिक्योरिटी और भी बढ़ती जाएगी. इट विल ऑलवेज बी ब्रशिंग अंडर द कारपेट, ब्रशिंग अंडर द कारपेट, और एक दिन ऐसा बम फटेगा कि सब कुछ तबाह हो जाएगा.
Yeah, well, shit will hit the fan.
Yeah, shit will hit the fan, and then घर के माहौल थोड़े से खराब होने चालू हो जाएंगे. So I think we have given you guys
I think all kinds of perspective. If there is something missing, you can tell us in the comments. You can reply to us on Instagram DMs.
Yes.
Or whichever way you want. You know all the channels by now to reach out to us. There's also a couple peer support group that we hold where we can have more discussions one-on-one on these topics, which is every Sunday that we do 4 to 6 p.m. And there's a nominal fees to it that you have to give to attend that session, only so that only authentic people join that. Because usually when it is free, every other person can join in, and then that spoils the vibe of the group basically. So when you're paying, you are serious about it, so hence there's a nominal charge that for which we'll put the link in the description. But coming back to the thing that we were discussing, that I think we have tried to give you all the aspects. What we are trying to say is basically have a good communication with your partner. Draw healthy boundaries. Please tell your partner if anything is making you uncomfortable.
Yes.
Don't feel like you have to hold back, or it will not look good to talk about this with your partner. Who else will you talk about this? Like it's your partner only for life.
Yes.
So be very open, be very transparent in your communication. And I would also say that take this thing a level up. Imagine why this is happening. This is not just physical attraction.
Yes.
There is something deeper here if this behavior continues.
Yes. What is that?
There's a lot of missing emotional elements that you're seeking, probably, or some kind of, like we discussed a lot of them: self-esteem, insecurity, some emotional intimacy is missing, some communication that needs to happen. So if it is becoming an obsession, then you are crossing that limit.
So can you give me examples when you talk about emotional, like, you know, are you talking about emotional intimacy in the overall thing?
Like for example, if I am constantly seeking certain validation from you, but Karan is so busy, he's in his life, वो अपना ऑफिस जा रहे, घर आ रहे, उसके पास एनर्जी नहीं है मुझे देने के लिए. और अगर मैं सोशल मीडिया पे दूसरे लड़कों के लाइक्स और उससे खुश हो रही हूँ, तो there is definitely a lack of emotional intimacy between you and me, right?
That leads to infidelity.
And something very simple that my mother used to say, which I somehow now see that it was such a profound thing, it applies to everything, that अगर घर पे खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो आप बाहर जाके खाओगे ना.
Yes. So but that's how you look at things, right? That's a way to look at. I think you have to develop a very right thing, so that कि emotional intimacy आपको डेवलप करनी पड़ती है. शायद आप जब शादी करते हो और आप इतने बिजी हो जाते हो बच्चों के रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में, एवरीथिंग, करेक्ट, आप इमोशनल नीड्स को साइड में रखते हो और लॉजिकल और प्रैक्टिकल नीड्स को सामने लेके आते हो.
सबसे पहले चलेगी.
एंड वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन इट. इट्स नॉट दैट, एंड इट इज अ कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट थिंग दैट विल गो ऑन, बिकॉज
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टेक ओवर इन अ मोमेंट. चुटकियों में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है बात करने में.
सो वो जो एक बहुत बड़ी नीड है इमोशनल इंटिमेसी की, ऑल्सो इज अ नीड ऑफ व्हाई मेन एंड वुमेन look at other profiles, like, share and subscribe to a lot of people.
Which you can do to our profile also.
Yes. So that's I think we will leave you with this thought that कि आप किस तरीके से अपने relationship को develop करना चाहते हो, आप क्या करना चाहते हो. We have given you right from childhood till today what are those different patterns that you develop, and the world which we live in, what makes you to choose those kind of thoughts and actions in your life which makes you insecure, which makes you emotionally unavailable to person, which makes you either you are looking or either you are lusting or you are undressing people mentally. Lot of things can come in your life.
Yeah.
So we will leave you with that thought, and you have to now understand.
One more question, that when you were single, everything was okay.
Yes.
You were your own king or queen in life. But now that you're in a committed relationship, do you want to be the same person or do you want to be a better person?
Yes.
That's the last question we leave you with. And on that note, you're not alone in this.
We are with you in Happily Whatever After.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your wife will not feel bad if you like our videos.
Yes.
And your husband will not feel bad if you comment on our videos. So
yes.
Please do that.
Yes. We would love to hear from you. Thank you guys. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.
See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.